This is the Matador FlatPak line. We might need to do laundry and pick us up after lunch. The idea behind the FlatPak line is pretty straightforward. All of these products are designed to stay lightweight, save space, and work better in your travel bag. Let's dive in. This is the Matador FlatPak bottle. This is a perfect example of what the FlatPak system is all about. These things will hold your shampoo, conditioner, sunscreen, anything that comes in a bigger bottle that TSA won't let you bring through. These will hold and you'll breeze right through that checkpoint. On the bottom of the bottle here, we've got this cap. This cap has a flip, so you can dispense these liquids really quickly and easily. That whole cap also screws off, so you can fill them really quickly. On the other side, we've got this snap cap. This makes it so that you can hang these up and out of the way, keep your surface really nice and organized. This loop also has this field, so you can fill that in with your shampoo, conditioner, sunscreen, whatever else you want, so you can label these so they're nice and quick and easy to identify. As mentioned previously, these are just a perfect example of how the Matador FlatPak line will help you pack easily and travel quickly. This is the FlatPak Soap Bar Case. As you may know, traveling with a soap bar case is awesome until it's not. Once you use it for the first time, it becomes a goopy mess and you're dealing with it for the rest of the trip. The magic with this is in the material. This material has dry-through technology. That allows moisture from the inside to evaporate through to the outside. So when you toss your wet soap bar in there, overnight that moisture will dry through the bag. So the next day when you pull it out, your soap bar is going to be dry and ready to go. The soap bar case uses a roll top closure. That means when you toss your wet and goopy soap bar in here, roll it up, and then clip it on the back side, all of those suds and moisture will stay in here and not in your bag until you bring it out the next day. Next up is one of my favorite products in the FlatPak line. This is the zipper toiletry case. This thing packs down super flat, but it's still got this nice wide opening on the top, so you can fit all of your long and wide and irregular shaped objects, like our 7-day pill canister, a toothbrush. You can put all your little bits and bobs in here as well. It's got a hang loop, so if you're like me and you like to keep your horizontal surfaces clean, you can get it up, put it on a towel hook or something like that. Nice wide opening. Make sure everything is visible and easy to access in there. And the best part is that it packs down as small as the contents inside it. This makes all of your packing super efficient, super easy. For folks that like a little bit more security, the waterproof toiletry case is a great option. This still has a nice wide opening at the top, so all those long and irregular shape objects will fit right in here. It'll allow all those smaller items to fit inside really nicely as well. The key with this is the roll top closure. So just a couple rolls on this, and that's gonna do a nice waterproof seal so that if anything on the outside tries to get in, or if you have a leak on the inside, it's gonna stop it from becoming the rest of your bag's problem. A pro tip on this is that if you've got rain gear, wet socks, or any other wet items that you wanna keep isolated from the rest of your bag, you can toss those in here, save them, dry them out when you get home. The FlatPak concept doesn't just apply to toiletries. We found that same design ethos can translate really nicely to larger products like these dry bags. Each one of these has a handle assembly on the front with a small loop which can be used for a secure attachment on the top. There's also a roll top closure which functions as a handle for vertical carry as well. On the side here, there's a TPU window. This allows you visibility into these products so you can see what you've got going on in there without needing to unpack, messing up your whole flow. These are available in both an 8 and 2 liter option. I found the 8 liter is great for a change of clothes, a down jacket, those layers that need to stay dry when you're out and about. For the 2 liter, those are perfect for snacks, electronics, small little bits and bobs that also need to stay protected from the elements. The FlatPak dry bags are a perfect capstone to the FlatPak line. The size, organization, all of them allow you to transcend just a single product use and optimize your entire pack out. Outside the FlatPak line, we've got a few other travel essentials that will really help round out your travel setup. Let's check them out. First up, we have the Matador refillable toothpaste tubes. These are TSA approved. They come in a 1-week and a 2-week capacity. Now you can bring the toothpaste that you know and love from home. Next up is a personal favorite of mine. This is our toothbrush cap. This will keep your bristles nice and clean, free of whiskers or any other debris that's floating around in your toiletry kit. Just a super easy push on, pull off, keep your bristles nice and clean in between uses. Next up are our travel canisters. They come in a 40 milliliter version and a 100 milliliter version. This one is great for pills, supplements, prescriptions, anything like that. It's got a nice durable aluminum body. This one is great for snacks or other stuff. Next up is another personal favorite of mine. This is our 7-day waterproof pill canister. It's got an aluminum extruded body, so it's super durable. Inside, there's 7 compartments. This will keep all your vitamins, all your supplements, nice and organized. It was really straightforward for your trip. Finally, we've got our nano dry packable towels. These come in 2 sizes, our shower size and our Trek size, both of which have the same nano dry super absorbent material. I found that these things really earn their spot in your bag if your trip gets a little bit less predictable. The best part about this system is how naturally it packs into a bag. You get all the gear you need, but it doesn't take over the rest of your loadout. Let's see how it packs into one of our most popular bags, the GR35. If you're trying to build out your carry-on toiletry setup, the goal is simple. You want products with less mess, less bulk, and that work together. That's what the FlatPak system is all about. I'm Kevin with Matador. Subscribe to our channel if you're interested in more travel content or in-depth breakdowns of our gear. Safe travels.